Good day, everyone. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. I am Jonalyn Bagapuro Sumili and I'm going to make no-bake chocolate, peanut butter, and oatmeal cookies. So, before we going to make cookies, ay kailangan natin maghugas ng ating mga kamay. Kailangan natin ng hand towel para matuyo ang ating kamay. So, ayan. Ang ating mga kamay ay malinis na. So, pwede na tayong gumawa ng cookies. Tara! So, ayan. After washing our hands, and then before I'm going to start, I have the ingredients here that I'm going to use, and these are my ingredients. First, we have 1 cup unsalted butter. And then, the second one is 2 cups of granulated sugar. And the next is 1/2 cup of whole milk. And then the next is 4 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder. The next is pinch of salt. So, gagamit tayo ng salt, pero kunti lang ating ilalagay para ang ating cookies ay hindi siya maalat. And then, the next is 1/2 cup of peanut butter. So, this is the peanut butter that I'm going to use. And then, the next is 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. And then, the last one ingredient that I'm going to use is 3 cups of quick or cooking oats. Ayan. Pwede kayong magamit ng Quaker oats or kahit anong cooking oats na pwede nyo magamit. So, let's start. So, ayan na guys, this time, magluluto na tayo ngayon ng no-bake chocolate peanut butter and oatmeal cookies. Ayan. So, I have my 4 quarts saucepan here. So, this is the dough that I'm going to use. And then, the ladle. So, magsisimula na tayo. So, ayan guys. Sa ating saucepan, maglagay tayo ng butter. Here, the butter. Sugar. Milk. Cocoa powder. And the last one is salt. So, kunti lang ating ilalagay na asin sa ating kawali o pang hindi hindi maging maalat ang ating cookies. So, ayan. I-boil natin ito ng 1 minute.
A few minutes later.
So, pagkatapos nating mag-boil ng 1 minute, after that, let's stir in the peanut butter and vanilla extract until smooth, then stir in the oats. So, after boiling for 1 minute, ilipat na natin dito sa ating lalagyan. After boiling in 1 minute, let's stir and the peanut butter and vanilla extract. So, i-add natin ang ating peanut butter and vanilla extract. I-add na natin ang ating peanut butter. Ang ating vanilla extract. Kapag nag-soft na siya, pwede na nating ihalo ang ating oats. At saka natin ilagay ang Quaker oats. Ayan natin no-bake chocolate peanut butter and oatmeal cookies.